So with the freshly bored cylinder, new piston, new rings, new crank, pretty much just a complete fresh rebuild, top and bottom end, we were ready for the first test run. I'd already done a couple of heat cycles before this, just starting it and letting it idle and then letting it cool down. So this was basically just my last test startup and idle before I went for the test run. So here I am on the test ride, the first test ride after rebuilding it, and at first everything seemed okay. In first gear I was kind of riding along and the engine was really responsive. It was hitting on both sides nice and even. In first gear everything felt really smooth. But then when I shifted into second gear and stabbed the throttle, I could feel it slipping. It was just like this kind of skipping, shaking, clicking sound, and it lost power immediately. So I immediately suspected that something was wrong inside the transmission and that we had missed something when we were rebuilding it. So if you listen carefully, just as I'm cresting the top of this little hill here, I give it the gas and you can really hear the noise that I'm talking about. And after I heard that noise, I knew that it was time to just put it back in the shop because something was definitely wrong inside the transmission.